The 2018 BMW 5 Series. The 5 Series incorporates bold styling cues that departed from BMW's traditional styling language. If you are looking for excitement and boldness, the 5 is for you. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, keyless entry, all-wheel drive, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, backup camera, Bluetooth. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.